This time on Customer Tech Talks, I'm joined by Pranay Agrawal, Global Lead for Site Reliability Engineering, and Andrei Goutnik, Director of Technology from PointsBet. Pranay, Andrei, thanks for joining us.
Hey, Ben.
Thanks, Ben.
So PointsBet is a born-in-the-cloud tech company that provides gaming services. Andrei, can you share a little bit about how you started your journey and why Azure was chosen as the platform to run your infrastructure and services?
Sure thing. So we were looking for a cloud provider that could provide us services for enterprise IT, so Azure Active Directory and Office 365, and also someone that obviously had a big presence in cloud. PointsBet in general is our volumes is burst in nature, and we needed something that could cater for that scalability to move up and down.
Now, your services, as you said, are kind of burst in nature and they come in and out, but they're also available in several locations around the world, both Australia and also the North America area. And no doubt, scalability and reliability are probably pretty top of mind for you, especially when you want to maintain a high uptime like 99.9. Now, I imagine there's been some challenges along the way. Pranay, can you share what some of those challenges are and how you've overcome them while building the platform?
Thanks, Ben. So yes, the road path has not been easy. The journey of achieving a 99.9 uptime platform has been really hard in the last 2 years. But thanks to FastRank and many other teams of Microsoft who has helped us in this journey to reach to that level. We started with a lot of issues in app service plans, Cosmos, Service Bus, and so on. With each and every interaction with your FastRank team and so on, we learned how to make the system more resilient, more GODR, whereas we can fail over to another region so we don't have an outage for a longer time. We had done premium service plans using high scalability and so on. So this engagement in the last 2 years have been really fruitful to achieve to a 99.9 uptime platform at a really good pace so that our customers can bet with us continuously without any issues. And at the same time, there were a lot of learnings that we had from network, which Andrei can brief us about.
Yeah, thanks, Pranay. So as Pranay mentioned, around our network piece, we tried to go to market first, and we didn't plan out the network to begin with. So we had a lot of VPN gateways and site-to-site tunnels to our various locations, and one, that caused a bit of unreliability with tunnels going down, but two, that the most of those networks were complex to manage. So when we went to a new site, we had tons of rules that we had to, with NSGs that we had to deploy. And we spoke to the Microsoft team and designed a network that was simplified but also highly resilient. So we utilized virtual WANs, where now we can push rules through the hub, and it propagates to all our endpoints around the world.
Now, no doubt you've obviously overcome those challenges, given where PointsBet's at today. Now, as you look back at your journey with Azure and the cloud so far, what's one lesson you'd share with someone who's looking to build their own global, scalable platform that has a high reliability requirement?
Sure, Ben. If I had to start again at PointsBet and do this thing all over again, one of the first things that I will learn is to get the smarts of Azure involved at the start of the design so that we design with the mindset of resiliency and reliability and not as an aftermath of the production deployments. This gives us the leverage to make sure we are prepared for the future, not just for now, and make sure we have the right scalable, reliable, and resilient applications, which can fail over to different regions, we can work across globally, and so on. So just including smarts of FastRank, the architectures, and so on from Azure, and leveraging their knowledge of those kind of platforms and systems really helps us out.
Some really great insight there to being able to take advantage of those Microsoft resources to help you in the future there. What about from your perspective, Andrei? What's one of the lessons you'd share with someone in a similar position?
Yeah, I agree with Pranay. So just utilize those services from Microsoft and those various teams. They have the expertise in the area, and it saves you redoing the work later on, with things where you didn't think of that Microsoft could have helped you with at the beginning.
Really, really great insights there again. Thank you so much, Pranay and Andrei, for joining us. It's been great to hear your story.
Thanks, Ben.
And of course, if you want to learn more about building your own well-architected solution that's built for resiliency in the cloud, you can head to Microsoft Learn to get started. If you want to see more customer stories, you can head over to our channel for all the latest episodes. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.